Test. Hi guys, welcome to the new video. If you are new, subscribe 100 subscribers. I wanna do a quick recap of my video because I was testing how fast the rendering takes place in Blender. I have version 3.1 and this video was lagging, so I wanna give you the numbers basically and the good information how to speed up your rendering process, yes, in Blender. Because this video was fucking lagging. If you want to watch this video. But basically the idea is like on the performance you want to keep the number something like 2000. The performance right here on this icon is performance is like render tile, okay, size of the render tile. And I was changing it up to 1000. It creates like two tiles, yes, on the rendering, and it always took longer, couple seconds, like 3-4 seconds, okay, if I was changing it up on this denoiser, yes, these options, those options, it always took longer. So keep on the performance number something like 2000, okay, and it's good. It creates like, you know, one tile and it's fastest way to render. Now this is the performance, this is the size of the render tile. Now on the denoiser, the longer option was this third option, okay, albedo and whatever, and this third option right here. It took something like 80-90 seconds to render this stupid image of my cube, okay, and to basically to denoiser just works 90 seconds. This is not very complicated scene, and I was choosing the transparent. Even with this, you know, big tile like 2000, it took, like I said, 80-90 seconds. So this is the longer option of the denoiser, and I'm assuming the best option, the best quality, but is, like I said, the longer. Now if I was changing it up right here to flat and none, the render time was almost the same, something like 8-9 seconds. So makes a fucking difference, 90 seconds, 80 seconds to fucking 8-9. So if you want to keep this third option, basically, wait, yes, you can change this to this flat and none, and this is gonna speed up your rendering image, your rendering 2 times, okay, or maybe a little bit more. Like I said, this is not very complicated scene, and it took, with this kind of value, with this kind of options, to flat or none, something like 8-9 seconds. Now I was changing to this second right here option, and right here this third option. This is the longer kind of setup too, okay, second longer setup, because with this kind of setup it took something like 40-50 seconds to render this cube. So it's not good to, if you want to speed up your rendering, yes, on the denoiser. So this is not good, this third option and this third option, and the second option and the third option right here. I hope you know what I'm talking about. Just watch this. I want to make it bigger right here, okay. Focus on this. This is not good too. It took something like I said, 40-50 seconds to render this stupid cube. But if I was changing to flat and none, it took something like 7 seconds or 6 seconds. So it's very fast. So this is good setup if you want to speed up your render, like albedo flat and none, or whatever this called. It's fucking late, I see shit. And if I was changing to none right here, even if I was choosing the third option, the rendering time was almost the same, like 6 seconds, 7 seconds. So if I was changing to this third option, flat or none, it took the same kind of time, 6 or 7 seconds, yes, something like that. So the fastest way on the performance 2000, and basically you want to keep this in none or flat or whatever, and it took faster, 6-7 seconds to render this. I have PC, bullshit PC. I have like i5 PCU, CPU, fuck my English, so it's not very good. I render with CPU. The worst option, it was like third option and third option, and second option right here and third option. It was the longest kind of value. Like I said, 90 seconds, 80 seconds, this kind of setup on this denoiser. And if you're gonna choose this setup, second and third option, it's like 15-40 seconds. It's too long. Yes, if you want to speed up, just choose maybe second option and choose flat or none, and I was like 2 times faster the rendering. And if you're gonna choose once again none, and you can choose whatever you want right here, and it's the same kind of 6-7 seconds still. So the fastest way, keep this in albedo and maybe to flat or none, or keep this to none and keep this to none, or this, yes, fat or whatever, and keep this performance to 1 tile, and you're gonna have the speedest, the fastest way to render your image. But I'm assuming this is a little bit lower quality on the denoiser, yes, because it looks faster. But if you like me, I just focus on the time, so keep this in mind. So thank you for watching. I want to do this quick recap because, like I said, this video, you can watch this video, but it's lagging. I was like clicking on this fucking internet and it was lagging this site, yes, because the rendering was taking place. So this was the fucking setup, the recap. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video.